Welcome students and friends. In this video I'm going to talk about expressions involving a square root. Expressions involving a square root. So expressions that involving a square root look something like this. You have a square root symbol, and then you have either a variable or multiple or another or different types of expressions. For example, x over y, or something like x plus 1, or something like x minus 1, or something like x squared plus y squared, or something like x squared. So let's look at some example just to see what it really means. Let's say you have square root of x. So the variable here is x. So let's choose some values. Okay, so you have x, and then you have square root of x. So you have something like 0, 1, 4, 16. So so you plug in the x values into the variable x. So you have something like square root of 0 is 0, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 16 is 4. Let's look at one more example. Something like x plus 1. So the variable is x. Then the constant here is 1. Then we create a little table, and we have x. Let's choose 0. Let's choose 3. Let's choose 24. Okay, so x plus 1 is what we're looking for. Then we plug in 0, so 0 plus 1, which is equal to square root of 1, which is equal to 1. Then we have square root of 3 plus 1, which is equal to square root of 4, which is equal to 2. Then we have square root of 24 plus 1, which is equal to 25, which is equal to 5. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends. See you next time.